This is a tutorial on how to use Canvas on a internet browser. You are going to go to your internet and type in Giles K12.instructor.com/login/Canvas. When you get to this page, your login information is going to be your child's student ID number, 700, and then whatever comes after that 700 number. Each child's is different. Your password is VA for Virginia, and then that number. There's no spaces or anything in there. And once you enter all of that in, you're going to press login. You're going to go and click on Ms. Shepherd's Pre-K. This color of the screen right here will be different for everyone. You can actually change that with these three little dots right here. But you're going to click on Ms. Shepherd's Pre-K. And then everything you need to find will be under Home. And so just make sure you stay on that home page, and it will take you down to all of our apps. Each week there will be a list of things for you to accomplish if you're looking for something very specific to do, and you're going to go under announcements to find that. So September the 21st through the 25th, I'm still working on uploading these new lists of things to do this week, this upcoming week. But that is where you can find specific things. But your kid is welcome to get on and go through the apps and just find different things. Something great that we're working on right now is starting to learn our letters. And so here is all kinds of different letters. This video right here is the one that we do every day to learn our letters and the sounds that go with them. And so your child can do that video at home. And then this is our Foundation's letter cards. And it is the letter cards that we use every day to go over the letters of the alphabet.
Apple, A.
I'm working on individualizing some videos, but I am slowly but surely getting there. And I will have all of that in the announcements, and I will also add it to these apps as well. And so all of these have different things under them. Read Alouds have 3 new stories uploaded that I have read, and so you can click on those, and it's me reading the book to your kids. These are actually 3 of our kids' favorites this year, and so I recorded those, and I will work on adding some more. And all of this will take you to apps. If an app is broken, I think Mr. Man's app is broken right now. It will say error. We're working on fixing it, but I think the rest of them should work. Miss Alvis has provided a library for your kids, and so you can go on here and do her lessons for library.
Mo Willems is also an illustrator who makes the pictures for library class.
Miss Farmer has provided music. Just note that when you are on other teachers' sites, they have uploaded kindergarten. We fall under the kindergarten category for Miss Farmer and Mr. Mann. And so they are not required to teach preschool. However, they graciously do help us out especially Miss Farmer. She always offers us music class, and the kids love her music class, and so we fall under that kindergarten space right there. But if you have any questions about how to use this or how I can assist you, please just let me know, and I will do my best to help you in any way possible.